This video will be on math examples. After you see the math problems worked out, you'll start to catch on how to do them yourselves. So let's get started on MathCat. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to show you how to add a positive and a negative number together by first writing down some examples and letting you see what the answers are. See if you can see the pattern. 3 plus a negative 5 equals minus 2. 1 plus a minus 4 equals minus 3. I'm going to give you a rule. That way, no matter how big the numbers are, you can use the rule to figure out the answer. There are two parts to the rule. The first one is you subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. And the second rule, the answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. So let's go through these examples using these rules. Negative 3 plus 4 equals. Okay, the first rule is subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. 4 is the bigger number, so we're going to subtract 4 minus 3, and we get 1. And the second rule, the answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. Well, 4 is bigger than 3 and 4 is positive, so the answer will be positive. So the answer is 1. Let's do the second one. Negative 2 plus 8 equals. The first rule is subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. Well, 8 is the bigger number. 8 minus 2 is 6. Write down the 6. And the second rule, the answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. Here 8 is the bigger number and it's positive, so the answer will be positive. The answer is 6. Let's do the next one. 3 plus negative 5 equals. Subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. Well, 5 is the bigger number. Minus 3 is 2. Write down the 2. The answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. 5 is the bigger number and it is negative. So the answer will be negative 2. Let's do the last one. 1 plus negative 4 equals. Subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. Well, 4 is bigger. Minus 1, 3. Write down the 3. The answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. 4 is bigger than 1 and the sign is negative. So the answer will have a negative sign. Negative 3. Let's try some bigger numbers. Minus 33 plus 21. And we'll use our rule. Subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. 33 is bigger than 21. 33 minus 21. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. The answer is 12. Write it down. And the second rule, the answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. 33 is bigger, the sign is negative, so the answer will have a negative sign. Negative 12 is the answer. Let's try 28 plus minus 17. Subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. 28 is the bigger number, minus 17. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 11, write it down. The answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. 28 is the bigger number and it is positive, so the answer is positive 11, or 11. What if we added negative 151 plus 42? Subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. Well, 151 is the bigger number, minus 42. Here we have to borrow 1. 11 minus 2 is 9. That makes this a 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 109, write it down. The answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. 151 is bigger than 42. 151 has a negative sign, so the answer will have a negative sign. Negative 109. Try 175 plus a negative 136. Subtract the bigger number minus the smaller number. 175 is the bigger number, minus 136. Borrow 1. 15 minus 6 is 9. This becomes a 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 39. We'll write it down. The answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. 175 is the bigger number and it is positive. So the answer is 39. And that's how you add a positive and a negative number together.